This is the Audi RS3, a car that was labeled the first hyperhatch. And in this video, I'm gonna let you know why enthusiasts love it, what makes it so special, and the backstory. Let's get into it. This weekend, I headed into central London for SW1 Social, a relaxed cars and coffee meet tucked away in Chester Row with good coffee, good chat, and a mix of everything from classics to modern performance. I don't always get the chance to do full features, but coming to this meet gave me an idea for a new format I'm calling the 5-minute feature. Short, focused videos on cars that really catch my eye, and today's car is the Audi RS3. The RS3 first arrived in 2011, but what you're looking at right here is the pre-facelift 2nd gen 8V RS3 launched in 2015. It took Audi's already bonkers formula and pushed it further. Positioned above the S3, the RS3 was built to take on the BMW M2, the AMG A45, and even give Porsche a headache. What made it special was its engine, a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo that paid homage to Audi's rally heritage. From the outside, the RS3 looks like a hot hatch that hit the gym. Aggressive front bumper, honeycomb grille, flared arches, and of course those signature aluminium mirror caps that tells you this isn't just an A3 with a body kit. This one's finished in Aria Blue Crystal, one of the standout colours from Audi's exclusive palette. It sits lower than the regular A3, and with those wide front tracks and twin oval exhaust, it's got that squat, purposeful stance. Under the bonnet is the heart of this car, Audi's legendary 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged engine. This unit pushes out 362 bhp and delivers 354 foot-pound of torque and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch S-tronic gearbox and sends power to all 4 wheels via its Quattro all-wheel drive system. That's supercar fast, even in a family hatchback. But it's not just about numbers, it's the way this car delivers power. The offbeat wobble of the 5-pot engine is addictive, and the traction off the line is brutal. Owners say it's a rocket ship in a straight line with confident, inspiring grip, though some feel the steering is a bit numb compared to rivals like the BMW M2. Inside, it's classic Audi, clean, well built and solid. You get that flat bottom RS steering wheel, Napa leather seats, and in the facelifted version, you get Audi's virtual cockpit with RS specific graphics. It's not flashy, but it feels premium. The layout is intuitive and everything is where it should be. It doesn't shout special, but it does feel expensive. Compared to the Mercedes A45, it's more restrained, less shouty, more grown up. The RS3 has become a bit of a legend. It's not just the straight line speed, it's the sound, the usable size and sleeper looks. This is a car you can daily abuse on a B road and still drive your nan to Tesco's in. That blend of performance and practicality, it makes it incredibly desirable. It also holds its value well and is increasingly being seen as the last of a dying breed. With more cars getting bigger, going hybrid or full EV, the 8V RS3 might be peak compact performance for the money. So what does it cost today? A quick look on Auto Trader shows prices starting around 20 grand for early models with high miles, and going up to around 30 where the facelifted models start. These can go up to around 40 grand plus for clean, low mileage examples with good specs. You want to look for ones with sports exhaust, mag ride, and the virtual cockpit. Those are the options that matter. So if you're looking for your next car and your criteria are practical, fast and understated with a bit of rally heritage, look no further than the Audi RS3. And that's everything you need to know about the RS3. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care, peace.